Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
I'm really enjoying this party. It's so lively and fun. I'm glad we got a chance to meet here.
Me too. I don't often come to big parties like this, but tonight I feel excited. By the way, my name is Ethan. I don't think we have met before.
Nice to meet you, Ethan. I'm Olivia. I just moved to the city a few months ago, so I'm trying to meet new people and enjoy events like this.
That's wonderful, Olivia. This party is a great place to connect with others. How do you like the event so far?
I really like it. The music is upbeat, the decorations are beautiful, and the food looks delicious. There are so many lights and colors. It feels magical.
I agree. The venue is decorated very nicely. I especially like the string lights and the floral arrangements around the hall. They create a warm and inviting atmosphere.
Yes, they do. I also enjoyed the live band playing on the stage. Their music made everyone want to dance and smile.
Absolutely, the band is great. I even danced a little when one of the songs came on. It was very refreshing to see people enjoying themselves.
Speaking of dancing, did you try the dance floor? I saw a small group of people moving together, and it looked like so much fun.
I did. I joined in for a short while. Even if I'm not a very good dancer, it was enjoyable to move to the music. It's nice to let go and just have fun.
I feel the same. I love that at events like this, you don't have to worry about being perfect. It's all about having a good time and celebrating life.
Exactly. Besides dancing, I also talked with some guests about the food. Have you tried any of the dishes here?
Yes, I sampled a few items. I had the mini sandwiches and some fresh fruit cups. They were tasty and light, perfect for an evening celebration.
That sounds delicious. I tried the finger foods at the appetizer table. There were cheese platters, small burgers, and a variety of dips. I especially liked the hummus dip with the pita bread.
Hummus is one of my favorite dips. I also enjoyed the dessert table. The cupcakes and cookies looked amazing.
They did. I even took a picture of the dessert table because it was so beautifully arranged. It reminded me that small details can make an event memorable.
That's so true. When I look around, I see how every detail, from the music to the food, adds to the overall experience. It makes me appreciate the effort the organizers put into this party.
I agree. I think organizing an event like this takes a lot of work. The lighting, the sound, the seating, all are important. I must say, the organizers did a fantastic job.
Yes, they did. I spoke with one of the event staff earlier, and they mentioned they planned the party for weeks. It made me feel grateful to be part of such a well-organized event.
That is impressive. Events like these not only entertain, but also bring people together. I love how everyone is chatting, laughing, and sharing stories.
Speaking of sharing stories, I met a group of people who talked about their favorite moments of the evening. One person said they loved the live music, while another loved the friendly conversation. It felt like everyone had a positive story to tell.
I heard that too. I was talking with a guest who told me how the event reminded him of his college days. He said that at college, parties were a time to relax and forget about worries, and tonight he felt the same.
That's really nice. I believe events like this help us remember the good times and create new memories. They are a reminder that life can be joyful even when things are busy.
Exactly. And the conversation here is very friendly. I even met someone from a different part of the city who shared their experiences about local festivals and community events.
I love meeting new people like that. It broadens my view of the city. Since I'm new here, learning about local culture from others is very helpful.
I'm sure you will discover many more interesting events and meet many great people. The city is full of opportunities if you keep an open mind.
I hope so. I'm eager to explore more and maybe attend more parties and cultural events. Tonight has given me a lot of inspiration.
That's the spirit, Olivia. I also find that celebrations like this make me feel recharged and happy. They remind me to enjoy the present moment.
Absolutely. It's important to take time off work and daily routines to celebrate life. I always feel more positive after a fun event like this.
Do you plan to stay at the party for a while longer? I was thinking of grabbing another drink and maybe joining a conversation group later.
Yes, I plan to stay for a bit longer. I want to chat with more people and maybe dance again if the music changes. I love the energy here.
Me too. I think I'll get another drink and then see if there is any group discussion about the event. It would be interesting to hear different opinions on the music and food.
That sounds fun. I might join you later. It's great to have these moments to talk with friends and even strangers about our experiences.
I agree. I always feel that sharing our thoughts at a party adds to the overall enjoyment. For instance, the way the band plays or the quality of the food can spark interesting conversations.
Yes, and it also shows how much the event has been planned. When you see good organization and friendly staff, it makes you feel appreciated as a guest.
That's right. I really appreciate the effort of the organizers tonight. They have done a wonderful job making everything smooth and enjoyable.
I'm glad we got to talk about this, Ethan. It makes me enjoy the party even more, knowing that I am surrounded by positive energy and good company.
Thank you, Olivia. I enjoyed our conversation. It feels nice to reconnect with someone and share our experiences. I hope we can talk again later at the event or at another celebration soon.
I would love that, Ethan. Let's exchange our contact information so we can keep in touch. I believe that meeting new people like you makes events more special.
Definitely, Olivia. Here, let me give you my phone number. We can meet for coffee sometime and talk more about our experiences in the city.
Great. I'll save it now. Thank you, Ethan. I'm really looking forward to seeing what else this night brings and to our next conversation.
Me too, Olivia. Enjoy the rest of the party and the music. I hope you have a fantastic evening.
Thank you, Ethan. You as well take care and have fun.
Goodbye, Olivia.
Goodbye, Ethan.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.